Hey everyone, welcome to MadActs 2020. I really am praying today and deciding for God to use this channel to change your life for the good and to believe again that God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that you could ask or think. Once again, thank you so much for your continued support, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click subscribe for more weekly updates on MadActs 2020. God bless everyone, God cares.
Yan eh. And yes guys, nandito kami ni Elijah sa Mall of Asia. Tapos na kami maglaro at nakaubos kami ng 2,000 pesos sa paglalaro sa Tom's World. Nanalo ang Tom's World sa amin. At panalo dun si Elijah. Yes! Let's go! Kami ngayon sa NBA Tour Philippines. So ito, yung nagustuhan ni Elijah. Nagustuhan niya daw yan. At magpapaalam siya sa kanyang mami. Yan ay 2,200. Something ganon. So ayan, so labas na din kami. Nakita na namin. Tara, let's go.